Good evening, children. Today I will teach you how to create app in MIT App Inventor. Let us start with simple talking app. To create a talking app in MIT App Inventor, just click on the AI to you icon. When you click on this AI to you icon, it will open App Inventor to Ultimate window. Then click on All AI to you server. After that, Start Invent. Click on Start Invent. When you click on the Start Invent button, you may find the login session. Here, don't give your email ID or password because this is the offline version. Instead, you just click here to use your Google account to log in. After that, click on Login button. Then the App Inventor will be opened in your local host and you can find the Project Designer window. Go to Projects. You can find the Start New Project button. So click on that Start New Project button to start your first project. Okay. After that, type a name in that project name box. Then after, click on OK. You have given a name to your project. Okay. Now let us create a talking app. To create a talking app, first we need to select a button. You can find that button option in the palette pane. Okay. First, drag that button towards the viewer pane on the screen. Now, rename the button. Give a name to the button. For example, give Talk to Me. So the button name has been changed. You can find it in the components pane. Okay. Now, let us change the display name in the viewer pane. Okay. To change the name of the button in the viewer pane, we need to go to Properties pane. In the Properties pane, you can find the text box. Give name in the text box. For example, Speak. Now, increase the font size. Here in the Properties pane, you can find it, the font size option. Just increase the font size. Then after, just tick in the box that is font bold. Okay. Now the button name has changed. You can see it in the viewer pane and it is clearly visible. When we click on this button, some event must be happen. That means it must speak. To do this action, we need to add one component, text to speech component, to the view pane. This text to speech component is available in the media drawer. You can find text to speech component. Just drag the text to speech component to the view pane. It is not visible on the view pane. You can find it in the components pane. Here, text to speech. Till now, we have added all the components to the view pane. In the designer window, we have designed our app. Now, we need to move on to the block editor. Okay, code the components. That means we are giving instructions to the components so that the actions can be done. In the block editor, you can find whatever the components we have added in the designer window. Here, Talk to Me button. This is our button. Here, text to speech component. Okay. Now click on the button Talk to Me. You can find many blocks here. Just select the When Talk to Me, click. Do some action. Okay. Drag this block to the workspace. Now click on text to speech block. Here, just select the call text to speech block, drag it to the workspace. Just fix it in the inside the button click block. Okay. Till now what we have done, when we click on the button, it must call text to speech component so that it will speak. To speak, it needs some information, message. To give that message, click on the text block, drag the message block and fix it inside the message in the call text to speech block. Okay. Now type the message within the message block. For example, congratulations, you have created your first app. This will speak what you have entered. We have created our simple talking app. Now we need to test our app whether it is working properly or not. In order to test this app, we need emulator. In the next video, I will teach you how to install the emulator and how to test our app by connecting it with emulator.